The output files viewer is located in the bottom left-hand corner of VisualText. When you run your analyzer on this, for instance, we are running this analyzer from tutorial 13B, and we're going to run it on a web page for Alabama. As it runs, it's generating files if you have the logs on right here. If you have logs off, you're not going to see anything in here, but we have the logs on. And some of these are automatically generated, like the final tree. Others, like this KB, this display of the KB, are generated by us putting in our function. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 icons. The first one is to list everything but the trees and the matching files. So these are all the output files that are normally that you see displayed right when it's run. These are the KB files, because sometimes you'll have many passes with many KB files. Then you have one to display rule matching files, but if you click on there, there's nothing here. But if I wanted to see what was matching in this file, I can click on the displaying of the matched places in the text. You can see what's being matched here, and that is the TR and the TR. Those are being matched, those tags. And when you click on some of these and you display what's being matched, here is being matched, these now are generated and are available down here. So those are not automatically generated because they're big, and this would generate a ton of stuff. So those are only available for the ones that you click on, as you can see there. This is all the trees. So you have I always put the final tree at the top. That's on purpose. And then all the other trees. So you can literally see the trees being built by just clicking on this each time. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. Then next tree. Now you can see the rest. Then you can see the TD, etc. So you can see the trees as they're being built. And finally, you have the orphan passes. And the orphan passes, we have, for instance, I'm going to make a pass in here. We're going to call it new pass rules. We're going to call it David. We'll put that in. There it is. Oh, I don't really want it. Or maybe I don't want it right now. I can either make it inactive or I can delete it. So I'm going to delete it, but it's really not deleted. It's actually not included in the sequence, but it's still here. Now at this point, I can just right click on this and say delete orphans, all of those files. So that's what that one is. And this is just a redisplay of it. And so that is the output files. You can also move things. Let's say, whoops, you have a KB file. So you have this KB file, you want to move it somewhere. Well, you can either move it to the analyzer text up here for some reason you want to do that, or you can move it to another analyzer in their KB area, or you can even put it in your own KB area. So this here, let's say you're generating, you want to use it in your own KB, you can just choose the same analyzer, and voila, there it is. The same one is listed there. Okay, so that's the output files viewer.